Our next topic is uses of decimal numbers. So where we are using these decimal numbers? So when we deal with the money, the amount of money. So the amount of money is expressed in terms of decimals. So when you look into the bills, you can see that the amount is given as rupees 15.25. So 15 rupees 25 paise. So we can write it as a 15.25. And when you deal with the distance traveled or distance covered, it is given in terms of decimals, 10.3 kilometers, 25.7 kilometers. And again, when you are dealing with the weight, what is the weight? Oh, it is a 35.7 kilogram. So in all these situations, we are using these decimal numbers in our daily life. So we have to look into how we can convert them into the decimals. If it is given in rupees and paise, or if it is given in meters and centimeters, how we can convert it into kilometers. And again the weight, how we can convert gram to kilogram. Like that we have to look into here. Now first one, we will look into money, about the money. And we know that 100 paise equal to 1 rupee. 1 rupee is how many paise? 100 paise. So 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So that means 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. Now if you want to change the paise, so 1 paise means 1 paise. So 1 paise means it is a 1 by 100 of a rupee. That is rupees 1 by 100. And how we can write 1 by 100 in decimal form? Rupees 0.01. So after 1 we have 2 zeros. So the number is 1. So we have to move 2 places to the right. Here we have only 1 place. So put a 0, then after that the decimal point comes. Therefore 0.01. Then 2 paise. 2 paise, how we can write? 2 paise means it is 2 by 100. So the paise, in order to convert it into rupees, you have to divide by 100. So which is equal to rupees 0.02. So 2 paise means rupees 0.02. Then 75 paise. 75 paise equal to 75 by 100. Rupees 75 by 100. So 75 by 100, how we can write it in the decimal form? Which is equal to rupees 0.75. Now look at that. In the decimal part, we have 2 places. Decimal part, we have 2 places. And depending upon the given number, you have to get 2 places in the decimal part. Now we can consider these questions. Express as rupees. We have to express them as rupees. So the paise is given in terms of paise. What we have to do? You have to divide by 100. Divide by 100. Now 5 paise. So 5 paise means 5 by 100. So if you want to convert, you have to divide by 100. 5 by 100. So which is equal to rupees 0.05. So division by 100, what we have to do? Remember, count the number of zeros after 1, 2 zeros. So we have to get 2 decimal places in the given number. We have to get 2 decimal places in the decimal number, and we have to move 2 digits to the right, and after that put the decimal point 5. So we have only 1 digit to move, so put a 0, then move it and put the decimal point. So the number will be 0.05. The whole number part is not present, therefore we can put 0. Therefore the answer is rupees 0.05. Then 75 paise we already did. What is how to write 75 paise? 75 by 100, rupees 75 by 100, which is equal to rupees 0.75. Now next, 50 rupees 90 paise. 50 rupees 90 paise. So 50 rupees 90 paise means 50 rupees plus 90 paise. So 50 rupees will come in the whole number part and the paise will come in the decimal part. So 90 paise you have to convert. 90 paise when you convert 50 rupees, that is a rupees 50, then plus 90 paise when you convert rupees 90 by 100. So rupees 90 by 100, how we can write it in the decimal form? 0.90. 0.90. So rupees 50 plus 0.90. So we can write down the answer as rupees 50. So 50 is already given in rupees. So that will come in the whole number part. Then the paise we have to convert and we have to write it in the decimal part. So rupees 50.90. Rupees 50.90. Now 725 paise. So in order to convert paise into rupees, you have to divide by 100. And the decimal part will consist of only 2 digits. So moving from the, so that means you have to start from the unit place and you have to select 2 digits starting from the unit place and you have to put the decimal point. So 5, 2, then put the decimal point. So the value will be rupees 7.25. So 725 paise will be equal to rupees 7.25. Now the next is about the length. So centimeters and millimeters together we can express in the form of decimals. Meters and centimeters together, if it is given, we can express in the form of decimals. Then kilometers and meters also we can write it in the form of when it is expressed, we can write it in the form of decimals. Then we know that 10 millimeter is equal to, we already learned 10 millimeter equal to 1 centimeter. Therefore 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. And 1 by 10 centimeter means it is a 0.1. 0.1. So in order to convert millimeter to centimeter, you have to divide by 10. So 0.1 centimeter. Similarly, 2 millimeter means it is a 2 by 10 centimeter. You have to divide by 10 and which is equal to 0.2 centimeter. So in order to convert millimeter to centimeter, you have to divide by 10. Divide by 10. Divide by 10. So in order to convert millimeter to centimeter, divide by 10. Then we know that 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, or 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, or 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. Therefore 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter. 1 centimeter is 1 by 100 meter. So which is equal to 0.01 meter. So the decimal part will consist of 2 digits, 2 places. Therefore 2 centimeter means it is a 2 by 100 centimeter. 2 by 100 meter, which is equal to 0.02 meter. So in order to convert centimeter to meter, we have to divide by 100. We have to divide by 100. So divide by 100. So here we want to convert millimeter to centimeter. Divide by 10. Then centimeter to meter, you have to divide by 100. Now next, 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. That means 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters. Therefore 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometers. So 1 by 1000 kilometers means after 1, look at that, there are 3 zeros. So we have to get 3 digits in the decimal part. So 3 digits in the decimal part, here we have already 1 digit. So we have to put 2 zeros and then the decimal point. So 0.001 kilometer. Therefore 2 meters means 2 by 1000 kilometer, so which is equal to 0.002 kilometer. So what did you understand from this? In order to convert meter to kilometer, you have to divide by 1000. You have to divide by 1000. So in order to change meter to kilometer, so if you want to convert meter to kilometer, you have to divide by 1000. So you have to remember the conversion. So if you want to convert millimeter to centimeter, divide by 10, then centimeter to meter, divide by 100, meter to kilometer, divide by 1000. Now we can look into the problems. Express as centimeters using decimals. Express as centimeters using decimals. Now look at that, all of them are given in terms of millimeter. So if you want to change millimeter to centimeter, you have to divide by 10. So 5 millimeter means 5 by 10 centimeter. Then 5 by 10 centimeter means what is the decimal form? It is a 0.5 centimeter. 0.5 centimeter. Next, 60 millimeter. 60 millimeter means 60 by 10 centimeter. So 60 by 10 centimeter. After 1, we have only 1 0. So we have to get only 1 digit in the decimal part, and starting from the unit digit. So it will be 6.0 centimeter. 6.0 centimeter. Then 164 millimeter. 164 divided by 10. So that much is centimeter, which is equal to, so 164 is the given number. So after 1 we have only 1 0. Then starting from the unit place, you have to move only 1 digit to the right and put the decimal point. So the answer is 16.4 centimeter. Then 9 centimeter, 8 millimeter, we already learned how to write it. 9 centimeter, 8 millimeter. 9 centimeter, 8 millimeter means 9 will be in the whole number part, the centimeter measure will be in the whole number part, and the millimeter measure will be in the decimal part. So we can say that it is a 9 8 by 10 centimeter, so which is equal to 9.8 centimeter. So 9 centimeter, 8 millimeter is equal to 9.8 centimeter. Now express as meters using decimals. We have to express them as meters using decimals. So the quantities are given in terms of centimeter. So in order to change centimeter to meter, we have to divide by 100. You have to divide by 100. So 15 centimeter, 15 by 100. Then what is 15 by 100? So after 1 we have 2 zeros. Then 15 is the numerator. Then we have to move 2 digits to the right starting from the unit. 5, then 1, and after that put the decimal point. So the answer is 0.15 meter. Then 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter means 6 by 100 meter equal to 6 by 100 meter means we have to get to 2 decimal places. So 6 we wrote, then we need one more place. There is no digit, therefore we will put a 0. Then after that the decimal point comes, and there is no number in the whole number part, so we can put 0. So 0.06 meter. Therefore 6 by 100 meter is equal to 0.06 meter. Then 2 meter 45 centimeter. So the meter quantity will come in the whole number part. So 2 meter 45 centimeter means it is a 2 meter plus 45 centimeter. That is the meaning. 2 meter plus 45 centimeter. So we want to change this 45 centimeter into meter. So 45, when we convert, what you will get? 45 by 100 meter. So we will get it as a 0.45. So 0.45 meter. So we can write it as a 2.45 meters. Therefore 2 meters 45 centimeter means 2 will be in the whole number part, then 45 centimeter you have to change it, that is 0.45. So 2 plus 0.45, that is the meaning. 2 plus 0.45. So 2 plus 0.45 means it is a 2.45 meters. After learning the addition, it will be very clear to you. So 2 plus 0.45 means 2.45 meters. Now express as kilometers using decimals. So all the measures are given in terms of a meters and you want to change it into kilometer. So if you want to change it into kilometer, you have to divide by 1000. Then 8 meter means 8 by 1000 kilometers. Then 8 by 1000. So you have to write it in the decimal form. How to write it in the decimal form? After 1 we have 3 zeros. So we have to get 3 places, 3 decimal places. Then here we have 8 only. Therefore we have to move 3 digits to the right. So 8 we moved, then we do not have digits there. So we will put the 0, 2 more zeros there. Then put the decimal point. So the answer is 0.08 kilometer. So 8 by 1000 equal to 0.008 kilometer. Then 88 meters, 88 by 1000. Then equal to, we have to move 3 places to the right, 3 digits to the right. So we have 8 is there, 8 is also there. Then we need 1 more digit. So we will put a 0. Then after that we will put the decimal point. So the answer is 0.088 kilometer. Now 888 meters, 888 divided by 1000, 888 divided by 1000. So we have to move 3 digits to the right, 888, 1, 2, 3. So we can put. Therefore the answer is 0.88 kilometer. So 888 meter means 0.88 kilometer. Now 70 kilometer 5 meters. So 70 kilometer 5 meter means 70 kilometer plus 5 meter. So 70 is already in kilometers. So 5 meter only you want to change it. So how we can change it? 5 meter. 5 meter when you change it, that is 5 by 1000 kilometers. So how we can write 5 by 1000? 5 by 1000 means it is a 0.005. There should be 3 places. The decimal part should consist of 3 places. So here we have only 1 place. Therefore after 5 we can put 2 zeros. So 0.005. Then you have to take with this 70 kilometer and we can write it as 70.005 kilometer. So 70 kilometer 5 meter means 70.005 kilometer. Now homework, exercise 8.4, question number 1, 2, 3, certain questions. That's all for today's class. Thank you.